Looking through my stack, I found this knife I bought at least a year and a half ago, and somehow it got mixed up and put back and never opened. Husky 2-piece folding sporting knife and sharpener. Home Depot. Now, if I remember correctly, I bought this on clearance for under $10. Got a lifetime warranty. Part number 1007-768-482. Let me read some of this on the back. Carbide blades for durability and better sharpening. This is on a knife sharpener. Thumb position. Sturdy finger guard protects hands. And on the knife, nylon handle, folding lock back design, one hand easy open. Now this is the Tonto style. So let's take this other knife I have, this 37 degrees north knife, which I really like a lot. Free this thing from the package. Let's see what we have here. There we go. There's the knife and the tip guard. There's not one on there for some reason. The knife sharpener. Let's get this out. There we go. Put that down, put that aside. Okay, we'll look at the knife first. There we go. Plastic handle, all black. Overall length is 7.5 inches. 7 5/8 inches. This way on the blade, it is 15/16. Overall length of the blade, let's go to right here, 3 1/4. This way, about 4 1/2. Those are approximate dimensions. And how fat is this thing? 1/2 inch, not counting the pocket clip. Not too bad, pretty comfortable. Considering it has the pocket clip right here, it's not really in the way. First finger fits in there nicely, index finger, other 3 wrap around, no issues. Husky right here, marked on the blade. Tonto style, which means it's like that. Not my favorite style of knife, but it is what it is, right? Lock back right here. Push it in. Folds pretty easy. You hear that snap? A little bit tougher to open. Let's see if I can work it in a little bit. There we go. Work that in a little bit, see if that does anything. Still a little bit rough to open. I have to get some used to, or a little bit of working with this thing. Plastic handle. I guess it'll do the job. It's not horrible. Not my favorite, but sure isn't my least favorite. Sharpener. There we go. Here's the carbide cutter right here in the end. Pretty comfortable to hold. There we go. Now, the instructions say hold this on the edge of your table, which I'm going to slide this over to hold this on the edge of your table and sharpen in a downward position like this. But I'm just going to do it like this. Let's see how sharp it is out of the package. Got a little piece of paper right here. Not too bad. Not my favorite knife, but you can see it does cut the paper. No issues with that. Now, most people, including me, will tell you not to use tungsten steel on your knife blades. But since this came with the knife, I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm going to dull up the edge right here on this rock. I'm not dulling this part, just this edge right here. There we go. Come back over here. Hear that grinding sound. Of course, it would be safer to put it on the table like this and follow the directions. I'm just going to do it like this. Some people rock it back and forth in this fashion. Let's go in there 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got the same piece of paper. It's cutting, but not as good as before I took it over that rock. Let's just go back and forth like this for a little bit. I am holding it at 90 degrees. There we go. Let's see what happens now. There we go. Now this carbide tip seems a lot smoother than other carbide tips that I've used in the past. Anyway, you see it does work. Not a bad knife. This would be a good one keeping your toolbox, your tackle box, the glove compartment of your truck, your hunting truck, in with your hunting gear, fishing tackle box, especially since it comes with a sharpener. So I know I paid under $10 for this thing, which is not a bad deal at all. 2-piece Husky knife and sharpener kit. Yeah, if I saw these in the store on sale again, I'd buy more, save them for Christmas gifts. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate watching.